Top 7 Best Meal Prep Bag.
Number 1.
EDC Meal Prep Bag by Evolutionize. Compact design. A superior quality of the product. Can be refrigerated and microwaved. Additional space for an extra box. Good quality polyester bag.
Number 2.
ThinkFit Insulated Lunch Boxes. 6 containers suitable for adults and children. Contains a vitamin pill box. Includes a shaker cup and 3 storage containers. Double stitched handle strap. Double insulation system.
Number 3.
Isolator Fitness 6 Meal ISOBAG. Large meal prep bag which can hold up to 6 meal boxes. ISOBAGs. Can maintain optimal temperatures of the food for longer periods. Easy to carry with shoulder strap and handle. Meal prep encyclopedia and cookbook included.
Number 4.
Evolutionize Healthy Meal Prep Containers. 7 different sized boxes. BPA-free and CFC-safe. FDA and FIA approved materials. Ideal for quick meals. Microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe.
Number 5.
Meal Prep Bag by To Go. 6 lunch boxes of different sizes. 23 ounces spill-proof shaker. Pill box with 7 compartments. Less expensive than other meal prep bags. Best containers for meal prep.
Number 6.
Fit and Fresh Jaxx FitPak. A compact system which can carry up to 6 meal boxes. Jaxx agitator system for the shaker. BPA-free materials. Freezer, microwave, and dishwasher safe. Ice packs included.
Number 7.
MIER Adult Lunchbox with double-deck cooler. 2 separate compartments for hot and cold foods. An additional pouch on the top for snacks and bars. Suitable for travelers. Zipper pouch for storing extra items. Shoulder strap and handle for easy carrying.